Hello friends and welcome once again on Motor Gears. We provide all the info related to automobiles and compare certain cars and vehicles on this channel and also delivers the latest upcoming technology related to automobiles. Guys, our today's video is on the 20 upcoming cars in 2020. So, let's get started. There are 8 hatchbacks, 5 sedans, 3 SUV, 2 MPV, 1 Jeep, and 1 Coupe. The first car of our list is Maruti Vitara Brezza. This car is a hatchback and gives the mileage of 24 kmpl and has an expected price of 10.5 lakhs rupees. The second car of our list is Toyota Vellfire. This car is a MPV and gives 11.6 kmpl and has an expected price of 75 lakhs rupees. Also, this car is second longest car in our list. The third car of our list is Hyundai Verna. This is a sedan car and gives a mileage of 16 kmpl with expected price of 15 lakhs rupees. The fourth car of our list is Mercedes-Benz CLA. This is a sedan car and gives a mileage of 17.9 kmpl with an expected price of 40 lakhs rupees. The fifth car of the list is Hyundai Tucson. This is a hatchback and gives a mileage of 12.95 kmpl with an expected price of 20 lakhs rupees. The sixth car of our list is Nissan Note E-Power. This car is a sedan and gives a mileage of 37.2 kmpl. That means this is the greatest mileage car of our list. The expected price of this car is 20 lakhs rupees. The seventh car of our list is Hyundai Creta. This is a hatchback car and gives a mileage of 15 kmpl and has an expected price of 10 lakhs rupees. The eighth and the longest car of our list with a length of 4,950 mm and also one of my favorite car is Audi A7. This car is a luxury sedan and gives the mileage of 10 kmpl, means it's the lowest mileage car in our list, and also the expected price of the car is 90.5 lakhs. The ninth car and the shortest car of our list is Maruti S Presso with a length of 3,565 mm. This car is a type of mini SUV and gives the mileage of 21 kmpl and the expected price of this car is 4.8 lakhs rupees. That means it's the cheapest car in our list. The 10th car of our list is Hyundai Grand i10 Nios Turbo. This car is hatchback and gives the mileage of 26.2 kmpl and the expected price of this car is 7.68 lakhs rupees. The 11th car of our list is Ford Gurkha. This car is a SUV and give the mileage of 17 kmpl with expected price of 10 lakhs rupees. The 12th car of our list is Maruti Ignis. This car is hatchback car and gives the mileage of 21 kmpl and also it's the second shortest car of our list with 3,700 mm. The expected price of this car is 5 lakhs rupees, almost closest to the cheapest car of our list. The 13th car of our list is Hyundai Grand i10 Nios Manga. This car is also hatchback car and gives the mileage of 20.5 kmpl and the expected price of this car is 6.46 lakhs rupees. The 14th car of our list is Renault Triber RXZ. This is hatchback and gives the mileage of 20 kmpl and the expected price of this car is 7 lakhs rupees. The 15th car of our list is Maruti S Cross. This is a hatchback car and gives a mileage of 24 kmpl and the expected price of this car is 9 lakhs rupees. The 16th car of our list is Maruti Ertiga Sports. This is a MPV car and gives a mileage of 24.2 kmpl with the expected price of this car is 8.3 lakhs rupees. The 17th car of our list is Mahindra Thar. This is a Jeep and the mileage given by the car is 13 kmpl with the expected price of 10 lakhs rupees. The 18th car of our list is Mahindra XUV Aero. This is a coupe car and gives the mileage of 19 kmpl and the expected price of this car is 17 lakhs rupees. The 19th car of our list is Renault Arkana. This car is a sedan and gives the mileage of 13.87 kmpl and the expected price of this car is 10 lakhs rupees. The 20th and the last car of our list is Mercedes-Benz EQC. This is a SUV with the mileage given is 15 kmpl and the expected price of this car is 1 crore rupees. That means it's the most expensive car in our list. Hope you like the video. Friends, this channel will give you a proper updates of upcoming cars and will provide a brief information about the upcoming automobiles. So please subscribe the channel Motor Gears and also press the bell so you never miss our updates. Till then, stay tuned.